So we're going to look and see if this one is a perfect square trinomial as well. And there are two variables though, x and y. There's no greatest common factor. So we look at this, 49x squared, and we can write that as 7x squared. Then we look at the back part, and that's a perfect square. We can write it as 6y squared. And so then here comes the question. The middle, this is my a, this is my b. So the middle part has to be 2 times 7x times 6y. Well, 7 times 6 is 42, and if I double that, that's going to be 84xy. So yes, it is a perfect square trinomial, and so it's going to factor. The a is going to be 7x. It will be plus because it's plus right there. And then the b is 6y and then squared. So that one's done. Okay. So the numbers can get really large on these, so don't be afraid of them though. Okay, now this one's a little bit different. So and we kind of skipped over it in the last video and here. I think I might have mentioned it on the last video, but you should always look for a greatest common factor first. So this time there is a greatest common factor. And it looks like it's going to be 2y. So take that out first, right off the bat. I think we might have factored this already, but double check and make sure your GCF multiplies in to get the original, but it does. Okay, so is this a perfect square trinomial? Well, I could write, let's see how I want to write this, 2y, that's out front, and then I can write the 4x squared as 2x squared, and I can write the 9 as 3 squared, do it in parentheses if you want. And so then the question is, what about that middle term? It's got to be 2 times a times b. This is my b, this is my a. And if it is, and it is, so yes, I'll just put yes, that's 12x. And the fact that it's negative just means it's going to be subtraction in our final answer for the binomial. So I'm going to have 2y. That's the GCF that came out. And then I'm going to have my a. So I'm going to have a minus b in this case. So I'm going to have a 2x minus b. And it's going to look like that. All right. So hopefully these will get more fun as you do more of them.